want you all to please stand up and may I call on Vincent to lead us our prayer. Amen. So good morning, class. Once again, good morning, class. Okay, before you sit down, let's pick up the pieces of paper under your chair and kindly arrange yourself. Okay, you may have your seat. Who is the secretary of this class? Okay, can you give me the attendance later? Thank you very much. So today, before we start, can anyone tell me what is the classroom rules? Anyone? Yes? Okay, cooperate. Another? One mouth rule. And the last one? Okay, the important is to respect everyone. Okay, how are you today? How was your weekend? Are you all good? Okay. Before I start, let me introduce myself. I am Teacher Kristen Clyde F. Sardan. You can call me Teacher Clyde. Again, good morning, class. Imagine you are reading a book, an article, or even a caption on social media. Sometimes words look similar, but you are not exactly sure what they mean. Let me ask you, if you read a post that say Anna is happy and another says Anna is joyful, do you think that they mean the same thing? Or if someone says sad is the opposite of happy? So today, we will look at some words carefully and notice how they are used in different sentences. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to find relationships between words and text, understand them better, and even check your work with AI if you want. So, let's start by looking at some short text together. Class, look at this paragraph carefully. I have some questions, just answer based on what you notice. Don't worry about the definition yet. So here are the questions. Number one, which word in the text means the same as joyful? Number two, which word has the opposite meaning of happy? Number three, can you find another word that is similar to kind? Notice how we find words that look or feel similar or opposite. That's what we call synonyms and antonyms. Keep that in mind. Next is the text 2. We also have questions here. Number 1, which word is the opposite of heavy? Number 2, can you think of another word similar to light? You had to look at the words and think about what they mean in context. This helps you understand and use words better. Let's compare what we just did. Synonyms, words that mean the same or similar. Antonyms, words that mean the opposite. Okay, class, think about the questions you answered. Which word mean the same? Which words are the opposite? How can knowing synonyms and antonyms help you in reading or writing? Now, let's give these strategies formal names and example. Now that you've explored the text and noticed how some words seems alike or opposite, let's give name to what you discovered. Words that mean the same or almost the same are called synonyms. For example, happy and joyful are synonyms. Words that mean the opposite are called antonyms. For example, happy and sad are antonyms. Earlier, I asked AI to generate a list of simple synonyms and antonyms. I then selected examples that are easy for you to understand. AI can help the teacher prepare examples, but the final choices and explanations are mine. Now, it's your turn to practice what you discovered in a short activity. Class, I will give you a short paragraph about a school day. Your task is to find synonyms and antonyms. In the synonyms question, which word means the same as energetic? The second one is which word is similar to healthy? In the antonym questions, which word is the opposite to tired? And the last one is can you find another word with the opposite meaning of energetic? Excellent! Let's share his answer. Who found a synonym for energetic? Who found an antonym for tired? Very good class. Okay, in our evaluation activity, students write one synonym and one antonym from today's paragraph on the board or in notebook. Teacher corrects mistake, highlight correct choices, and discuss why words are synonyms or antonyms. Quick oral discussion for reasoning. AI generated sample paragraph and word suggestions. Students may optionally use AI as a grammar checker for written answers. Take a moment to think. Which words were easy to find? Which words were tricky? How will you use synonyms and antonyms in your reading or writing? What is the role of AI? AI suggested reflection questions and common errors for the teacher to anticipate. Now, let's see how we can use this in real life. Here's your situated task. Write a 3 to 5 sentence short story about your day using at least 3 synonyms and 3 antonyms. Make your story interesting and real. You can may check grammar using AI, but the words themselves must be your own. This shows that synonyms and antonyms are not just words. They help you express yourself clearly and creatively in real life. Today, you learn how to identify synonyms and antonyms. You practice finding them in text, apply them in your own sentences, and reflect on how they help your reading and writing. Well done, class! So, quick review. Synonyms are the same meaning. Antonyms are the opposite meaning. Here's our reminder. You can use AI to check your grammar, but always think for yourself when choosing the words. Goodbye, class, and see you tomorrow.